This 2021 K-Z Durango 301RLD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, spare tire kit, slide-out, external shower, stovetop burner, microwave, auxiliary battery, LP detector, DVD player, water heater, smoke detector, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 K-Z Durango 301RLD is 10,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.